her videos. She's flipping pies, making pies, working her butt off, making bread, making grandmas, you name it, she did it. She ran the station by herself. Within one day, she was just unbelievable. So, that being said, wonderful. On behalf of the Beach School of New York, we're here to certify that Anne Maria Victoria Pacha has satisfactorily attained the requirements necessary, has demonstrated competence, passion, and love for the art, and is hereby certified a master pizzaiolo. Okay, she really earned this. Congratulations, young lady. Go out and kill the whole pizza world. Make it rock.
Thank you.
It was absolutely beautiful.